Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing 1113 River Crossing Condo. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. 1113 River Crossing Condo offers accommodations in North Myrtle Beach, 1.7 miles from Arcadia Beach. This property has a patio, free private parking and free Wi-Fi. The apartment is composed of 2 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 2 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are available in this accommodation. The nearest airport is Myrtle Beach International Airport, 18 miles from the apartment. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.